Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well, and today I am back again with another Zara try on haul video. So I went to Zara and I tried on some of the new dresses that I have, and today I only tried on the loose short dresses. If you want to know about the prices and everything, I'll put the links in the description down below together with my measurements. So make sure you like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and let's get started. The first one that I tried on is this white dress with blue flowers, and it has a round neckline with ruffle trim, and this is a size extra small. It also has some strings that you tie around your neck, and this is so loose and white. That's why I like it, because it's so comfortable and you can wear this with sandals. But in this video I'm wearing this with the black heels from Zara. They have an elastic straps behind the ankle, and you can also wear this with blue heels. I think that will also look nice. And yeah, this is so cute and just so simple. The second one, this pink one, this one is also very cute, and this is a size extra small. It also has a round neckline, and it has puff sleeves with elastic trim, and this is so comfortable. And I mean, these dresses are so loose, so if it's windy, I think it's better to wear some shorts under. Yeah, you can wear this with heels, and you can also wear this with sandals. In this video I'm wearing this with the same heels that I wore with the first dress. We have this red one. Actually, I thought this was a dress, but it's a play suit, and I didn't know it looks like a dress. And I just want to show you. I tried on a size extra small. It has a V-shaped neckline, and it has an elastic waistband. It also has a belt that you tie around your waist, and also the nice thing about it is that it has pockets on both sides, and this is so cute. The color is so beautiful, and you can wear this with heels. You can also wear this with sandals. And this is the next one. This one has so many colors, and this one is also loose. It has 3 buttons on the front, and it has long sleeves. You can wear this with sandals, and I think that will look cute. And I tried on a size extra small. And then we have this black one with lime green flowers, and this is a size small. It has a V neckline, and it has long sleeves with elastic cuffs, and this is so cute. You can also wear this with heels, and you can also wear this with sandals. Now we have the last one, this black one, and this one has puff sleeves, and it also has buttons. Now this one looks like a shirt, so I think you can style this in many ways. You can actually tuck it in, like wear a skirt and just tuck it in, or you can just open some buttons down and tie it. I think that will also look nice. So I tried on a size small. I also think that you can just wear a small black belt, and yeah. thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know if you like this video. Make sure you comment, like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and also let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, so I do more videos. I don't know if it's try on haul videos or any other videos that you want to see. So yeah, thank you so much, and make sure you also watch my other Zara try on haul videos.